Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 11.2, the third question. The question is like this. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeters from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. That means what it is, we have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. In both the ways means the diameter is extended, and at a point of 7 centimeters from the center, we have to draw the tangents to the circle. Let us see how we are going to do about it. In the first one, first we are going to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. For that, take the radius of 3 centimeters from it. Here, this is the radius of 3 centimeters. Yes. Here I am going to draw a circle. Yeah. Nice and cute circle came. Then from the center to 7 centimeters this way and that way also I have to extend, means I have to draw a line. I have to draw a line segment actually. So for that purpose, what am I going to do? I have to take a scale and I have to place, I have to place at a distance of 7 centimeters this side and that side. Together I will keep it off once you check it out here. From here to here, this side I'm taking 7 centimeters and that side 7 centimeters. So what am I going to do? I am joining from here to here. This is 7 centimeters. Okay. From here to 7 centimeters means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeters. That is here up to 14 centimeters I draw a line. Got it? Now mark these points as P and Q. Here take 2 points. Yeah, mark these 2 points as P and Q. This point is P. This is center O I am taking. This is Q I am considering. This is O and this is Q. Now I have to draw two tangents from P to the given circle, and I have to draw 2 tangents from Q to the given circle. As usual, how we did in question number 1 and question number 2, the same manner we supposed to do here also. For that, first what we supposed to do, we have to construct a perpendicular bisector of OP. Same manner OQ also. Then the perpendicular bisector intersects the line segment OQ at a particular point. From that one, we have to construct another circle, and all the procedure should be done. Observe clearly. So here I am keeping the compass here, taking more than half of OP, taking more than half of OP. I am drawing the arcs this side and this side also. Same manner, I am going to draw from O also the same thing. Yes. Now here we have to measure. We have to take the more than half of OQ also. Then I am measuring the length of OQ. More than half of OQ I am taking. And then I am going to draw arcs of this one. From Q. Now, taking the line segments, I am joining these two with a different color I'll join so that you are able to see the line segments clearly. So this is one line segment. Another color I'm taking and I'm joining here this one also. This is another line segment. Yes, this red color line segments intersects or the OP at name this point as AF I'm taking, name this point as A, and name this point as B, name this point as B. Now taking O as center, taking A as center and the radius AP I'm drawing a circle. I'm drawing a circle. Here also same manner, taking B as center and the radius equal to BQ. I'm going to draw a circle. Now this pink color one intersects the black color circle at two particular points. Those 2 points we are naming it as these 2 particular points I'm naming this one as, name this point as C and name this point as D, and here this yellow color circle intersects the black color circle at 2 different points, name these points as E and F. Now from this external point P, I'm drawing the line segment here PC and another line segment PD, PC and PD. This here PC and PD are required tangents. Not only that one, required tangents from the point P. Not only that one, if we are drawing another line segment, that is QE and QF are also the tangents or the required tangents from the point Q. QE and QF are required tangents from point Q. This is the final one. In the next video, we are going to solve exercise 11.2, question number 4. Okay, thank you.